Hello again, YouTubers, on with SpongeBob11 back here again on the Other Stuff channel. Welcome to another random unboxing video. Today we have something Apple related. We have the all-new 14-inch MacBook Pro. There it is, guys. I managed to pick it up on Sunday, October 31st, 2021 at my local Apple store. And as you can see, there's some dust, but yeah, MacBook Pro, the Apple logo on the side, and I'm really excited because this is something I've been looking forward to for a long time, a redesign of the MacBook Pro, and I'm pretty sure many Apple fans have likewise felt the same. So I do have my 2019 13-inch MacBook Pro Space Gray over on the side, and I will do a quick comparison of the the outer design and stuff like that once we get the computer out of the box there. So first up, I do want to quickly show you guys what is on the back here. So let's flash over to that. Okay, so let's quickly take a look at what is on the back here. Of course, assembled in China, model A2442. We've got 16 gigabytes of unified memory, 512 gigabytes of SSD. This is the base model of the 14-inch MacBook Pro from 2021. So I got the cheapest one and got a student discount on that as well. So that's great, you know, but this is honestly very pricey as compared to the 2019 Intel 13-inch MacBook Pro that I got back, in 2019. So this package includes one, of course, the MacBook Pro. We've got the USB-C power adapter and USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable, and you can read all the extra stuff over there. If you guys want to, you can pause and read. Without further ado, I do want to get the pen knife over here, and I'm gonna open up this box. So let's do that right now. Honestly, I like keeping the plastic wrap on the top cover, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just slice through back instead of using that little tab, which is actually over here. There's actually a pull tab. I'm just gonna leave that there. I use the pen knife here and slice right through the plastic, and we shall see what it looks like inside. I mean, some of you may have already watched unboxings on this. This is not exactly the newest, latest unboxing, or earliest unboxing, excuse me. In fact, it is quite late by approximately 1 week, actually. So yeah, I'm just gonna remove the lost side here, and we are all good. There we go. So removing the pen knife, the plastic comes off, and we can take a look at the box, or what is inside the box now. So just tilt it over, and let's see. The reveal. It is time, guys. It is time. And I gotta say, there is some suction as per, usual Apple products with the boxes. So it's always great. There we go. You're gonna smell that sweet apple scent. And our MacBook Pro is right on the top. So let's just pull this out. Now this wrapper here, it used to be plastic. Those like paper-like plastic. Now it is very, in terms of texture, it is paper. So let's just move the box back there. And then I'll show this to you guys. So just gonna try to focus. So yeah, there we go. I'm gonna set the MacBook to the side real quick, and we will take a look at what is in the box. So this is the all-new USB-C MagSafe charging cable. It is braided, as you can see. There we go. Yeah, so really cool. A great way to, honestly, I haven't had a Mac that used MagSafe. I do have family members who do with the MacBook Air, but yeah, the first MacBook I ever got was this 13-inch MacBook Pro from 2019. Okay, so further down in the box, we have designed by Apple in California. So yep, designed by Apple in California. Let's take a look at what is in here. So we have, I'm just gonna remove everything. So let's just take a look here. So we've got some stuff. We've got the Apple stickers, of course, MacBook Pro, a quick start guide essentially. So yeah, overall really cool. And let's just quickly take a look at one of these. Is this in English? Yes. So yeah, there you go. Welcome to your MacBook Pro. It shows you all the buttons, the trackpad, the ports, etc. And then I believe the other one is just in Chinese. So yeah, those are that's what you get in the paperwork. And then we do have the plug. So I do not live in the United States, so this is what the plug looks like in my country. A 3-pin plug wrapped in paper, and of course we have the what is this? 67 watt USB-C charging brick. So basically this thing connects with this this way. Wait a minute. Yeah, this way. So this way, plug it into the wall. And all right, so we are now ready to remove the MacBook Pro from its paper sleeve here. We do have some important warnings on the back, but you know, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, first impressions here, even without removing it from the packaging. It is much weightier than what I had before. So let's just remove this carefully from the sleeve. Again, this is the space gray version, in case I haven't mentioned that earlier. And again, sniffing the wrapper, a lot of apple scent. I know that's kind of weird, but I'm pretty sure many people who get new Apple products always do that, you know, smelling the apple scent. All right. Yeah, so MacBook Pro, the word is engraved into the bottom. I really like that. We do have the ports and lots of fan, well, gaps, I guess. So that's where the ventilation goes through. On the bottom, of course, that is the main fan, well, vent. So now let's take a look here. I already have fingerprints on this thing, so it looks really, really good, as you can see here. This video probably doesn't do it enough justice, but just seeing it in person and finally being able to open this cover, and there we go. There we go. The Apple logo just showed up. And let's remove this paper cover from the screen. I never used a screen protector on my 2019 13-inch MacBook Pro, and I don't think I will do it for this one either. The design of the screen, honestly, I would have preferred if there was no notch, but now that I've been looking at it for a little bit more, I'm actually quite okay with it. All right, so I'm gonna set this MacBook Pro up. Oh, and before that, let's just quickly look at the keyboard. Why not, right? So we have the trackpad as usual. As you can see, we no longer have the touch bar, and that is kind of a loss. I honestly wasn't too hyped up about the touch bar, but after using it for 2 years, I'm kind of used to it. But now we have the function keys back again, the Touch ID sensor on the top right there, and then yeah, all the buttons, new keyboard design, really nice generally. All right, so I've set up the MacBook Pro now just a little bit and created my account here. So as you can see, this MacBook Pro is running macOS, what was it again? Monterey? Yeah, Monterey. So yeah, really nice. I like the wallpaper. It would be great if they had like different colors with this exact same design. That would be pretty cool. All right, so let me just give you guys a quick look again at the keyboard. Now, the keys, I have to say, feel much better than what they did on the for the Magic Keyboard on the older MacBook Pro. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna quickly close this, and I'm gonna just show you guys, well, a little bit of how different this is. Looking at the older MacBook Pro, you can already see, or at least if you go from the top here, you can see that the new computer is actually slightly bigger than the 13-inch MacBook Pro. It does make sense since the screen is, well, bigger. And also, if you go to the bottom here, let's just reduce the height of the stand. The new MacBook Pro is substantially thicker than the old 13-inch MacBook Pro. So I guess I'm really excited for this upgrade. I hope you guys are as well if you did get the 14-inch MacBook Pro. I really like the look of the screen, even with the notch. And let's just quickly look at the old 13-inch MacBook Pro here to show you guys what the older keyboard looks like. And touch bar, of course, we got the touch bar. Keyboard sound, really clicky, but not as bouncy. And honestly, I like the new keyboard more. So overall, everything except the touch bar is definitely a huge step up with the new 2021 14-inch MacBook Pro. So yeah, comment in the box below. Are you going to get a 14-inch MacBook Pro as well? Are you planning to get a 16-inch, or are you just skipping this upgrade because you don't need it? Comment in the box below. Love to hear what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, favorite, comments ever for more random unboxings here on the Other Stuff channel. And yeah, I was really excited to do this. This is a once in a couple years kind of video, so yeah, really awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it right here on Ultimate SpongeBob 101's Other Stuff channel. Till the next one, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!